In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to attach your content to a topic in HubSpot using tags and custom properties. If you're organizing your blog content, building topic authority, or improving your internal structure, this is a simple but powerful step you don't want to skip. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along inside your own HubSpot account. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot and digital marketing tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the top navigation menu and click on Content. From the drop-down menu, select Blog. This will take you to your blog listing page where you can see all of your existing blog posts. Next, choose the blog post that you want to attach to a specific topic. Click on the title of the post to open the editor. Once the editor loads, look over to the left-hand panel. This is where you'll find your post settings and configuration options. Scroll down in the left panel until you see the Settings section. Click on Settings to expand it if it's not already open. Inside this section, you'll find different options related to your blog post, including author details, publish date, meta description, and most importantly for this tutorial, tags. Now locate the Tags field. This is where you can attach your content to a topic-like category. Tags in HubSpot act as a way to group related content together, making it easier for users to find similar posts and helping you build topical relevance across your blog. Click into the Tags field. You can either select an existing tag if you've already created one for your topic, or you can type in a new tag name to create one. For example, if your topic is email marketing automation, you can type that in as a tag and press Enter to add it. Make sure the tag clearly represents the main topic cluster you want this content to be associated with. If you're building a structured content strategy, try to keep your tag naming consistent. Avoid creating multiple variations of the same topic, like email automation and email marketing automation, unless you intentionally want them separated. Consistency helps keep your content organized and improves navigation across your blog. Once you've added or selected the appropriate tag, double-check that it appears correctly in the Tags field. This confirms that your blog post is now attached to that topic grouping. After confirming everything looks good, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Update if the post is already live, or Publish if this is a new post. This step is important because your changes won't take effect until you save or publish the content. And that's it. Your content is now attached to a topic in HubSpot using tags. When visitors click on that tag on your blog, they'll be able to see all related posts grouped together. This not only improves user experience, but also strengthens your content organization and topical authority. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step HubSpot tutorials. Let me know in the comments what other HubSpot features you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.